just like the sun, light up the earth.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. This is your Sevayo Amaka Wiki. I'm talking to you from Nigeria. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for sharing our video. We really appreciate. So today we'll be discussing the requirements you need to get in your while getting your landed properties. Yes, things you need to know, things you need to have at hand. So what are these requirements? Let's get twisted. Stay tuned. So first of all, you need to get a property. You want someone to get a property for you. Yes, in Nigeria here in Enugu, we have so many properties for sale. We have over 4,000 plots of land, 400, 500 plots of land, 1,000 both commercial and residential. So why getting this property? What did you need to get? What did they need to give you that you've paid for your property? Okay, this is how it's been done. First of all, when you pay for a property, maybe to a surveyor or the community or anybody, especially the community, this is what we call allocation paper. Yes, this means that this property is allocated to you, to Mr. A or Mr. B, and with the help of this allocation paper, your property cannot be located to another person. Yes, for example, this is allocation paper. This allocation paper comes with the village, the community name, comes with the address, comes with the name of the property if it's a layout, and it is called certificate of allocation. And with this certificate of allocation, we have the name of the seller and the surname and the family name of the property. We have the age grade, the marital status, the next of kin. Then we have the survey plan number, because any layout that's been surveyed has a plan number given to it. Yes. So for them to sell that property to you, they need to attach the plan number of the master plan to it. For example, we have this one here, plan number 458. So when you go to Ministry of Lands and you tell them you tell them you want to know about this layout, you want to know about this property, they will ask you what is the plan number and what is the name of the layout you're talking about. You will tell them the name of the layout. So then in that same allocation paper is where you'll be allocated a plot number. My client is allocated plot number 481. That is the plan number for my client. And you also have a notice here. This is to satisfy that the above mentioned person has been allocated a plot of land and stated therein. By this allocation, the bearer can transfer, lease, sublet, or develop the plot. 2. This place has the name of the property. I don't need to call the name of the property here. In our next video, I'll be telling the properties we have for sale. It's a wonderful offer. Okay, the Umaneko board of trustee are to prepare lease to whom the title transferred to, prepared by the family lawyer. Yes, they have their own personal lawyer, so that know when lawyer A will make a property a preparation and lawyer B will make a different. You need to have a specific lawyer, so that when I bring the same plot number to them, the lawyer will say, no, I've prepared an agreement based on this plot number. Did you get? So the last is annual rent is payable to Umu and Okode family. You have an annual rent agreement between you and the family, and there you have the space for signature for the chairman, the vice chairman, the secretary, the treasurer, the financial secretary and public relations officer, the date issued and receipt number. That is the first thing that they will give you when getting a property. And the second thing, the second document that they'll give you while from getting any property is called the family receipt. The family receipt. Yes, this is the family receipt for this property and for this my client. Get it? This is the family receipt. The family has their receipt with their phone number and the family name on it. In that receipt, the name of the receiver will be on the receipt, the amount you paid, and the plot number you paid for, and the date and signature of the receiver and the payee. I hope you understand what we are saying. So this is how it's been done. Then when you're done with your payment, this is it. Then after that payment, that is when you proceed to the surveyor. And mind you, it's not any surveyor that can do it for you. Once the surveyor is in charge of your property in any community, that is the only surveyor that can carry out that survey job for you. In case your brother is telling you, I have a surveyor that can charge you cheaper, I have a surveyor that do not charge you so amount. No, it's going to bring a case, an issue, and a problem in the future. So to avoid those problems, to avoid those cases, to avoid anything that will damage your image, that will linger you spending more money, this community has a surveyor that's done this property for them. And the same way, you need to meet the surveyor for your lifting. We'll call it lifting. You go with your allocation paper, with your receipt from the village, and maybe the agreement, the land agreement that you guys have paid. Yes, you've paid for so land. Some will make agreement between the seller and the buyer. They have an agreement that this land has been sold. Payment agreement between the two people selling and buying. This is no longer the community. The particular person that property was assigned to in that community, this is they will reach an agreement if they wish. It's not a compulsory, but I always advise you should have a written agreement in any landed property you're making. And after then, you can thumbprint or sign. As well, your witness will sign. Same with the witness of the seller will also sign. So after that, you proceed to the surveyor. Yes, with your agreement paper, the allocation paper, and the receipt from the village. You assign it to you submit it to the surveyor that you want to make survey plan for that particular plot. That is where the surveyor will take up your processing of your properties. So you get a beacon number from the Ministry of Lands. You assign, and you get your plan ready with your name bearing on it. So this is how it's been done. So in our next channel, in our next topic, I'll be telling you how a survey plan looks like and things you need to know. Really, this survey is a registered land. Not everybody you see on the roadside can give you a survey plan. It is not done that way. So in our next topic, I'll be telling you how to know a real plan, how to know that this my plan is registered, and things you need to know about your plan. And as well, I'll also be teaching you about CFO, certificate of ownership, and things involved in certificate of ownership. Not just that, I'll be listing our properties we have for sale, and the most amazing of how you can pay on instrumental. Yes, these are for youths, these are for the young, these are for the old. This you can even get for your wife as a birthday gift, for your children, and it's as little as 500,000 naira and above. And you can pay on instrumental without breaking bank. So don't forget to like, love, share our video. So wait for our next topic. Thank you so much. See you next time.